Good morning, everybody. It's Brooks with Skippy Bean Realty, your East Bay and South Bay trusted real estate resource. And today's Friday, and as you know, at the end of the week, I update everybody on all the newest homes that have hit the market for this specific week. And if you haven't checked out www.sendmeforeclosures.com yet, you've got to check it out, sign up for it. What we do is we notify everybody the second a home that comes on the market that only matches your criteria. So if you have a specific and a detailed search criteria, check it out, fill out the information. It costs nothing. There's no obligation. But I've always had the mindset where if I can make sure my buyers are the first ones that actually see these properties the second they come on the market, they're going to have the best opportunity of being able to jump on them before the general public. So that's kind of the theory here. That's the thought process here when we put together this program. So if you haven't checked it out yet, go to www.sendmeforeclosures.com. Let me know what you think. It costs nothing. Like I said, it's free. But again, this is Friday. At the end of the week, I update everybody on the newest homes that have come on the market. In Fremont, this week alone, 41 properties have just come on the market. That's Fremont and Union City alone. So some are single families, some are condos, some are great investment opportunities that are going to allow you to cash flow and make money on a monthly basis. So underneath this video, there's a link. Click on the blue link, but don't forget, you need to share this, if you could, to everybody on Facebook or Twitter, or anybody, friends, family members, or coworkers that are considering purchasing or selling in 2012. This is a great time. A lot of people are starting to buy up in this market from homes they couldn't afford a few years ago. They're starting to put their home on the market and purchase the home that they wanted a few years ago when things were a little inflated. So if you haven't checked us out yet, go to www.sendmeforeclosures.com, fill out the information. You can call me anytime at 925-999-9891. I hope you have a safe weekend. Happy home searching, and I'll talk to you soon.